Have you ever wondered how sounds make their way from the source all the way to the brain? Don't worry if you have not. I am here to explain this beautiful mystery. Sound is a vibration that travels through the air, gets collected by our ears, and turns into vibrations inside our ears. When we hear sound, we're actually perceiving vibrations that travel through air, water, or solid objects. Let's take a look at how this process begins. The journey of hearing sounds begins with a vibration. When an object, like a bell or a guitar string, is being struck, these movements set the stage. As they vibrate, they create ripples in the surrounding air, much like the ripples you see when a stone drops into water. These ripples, called sound waves, travel through the air, pushing and pulling air molecules in a steady rhythm. Now, when these sound waves reach us, they enter through the outer ear, which acts like a funnel, capturing the sound and directing it into the ear canal. From there, the waves strike the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are passed onto three tiny bones in the middle ear called the ossicles, which amplify the sound and prepare it for its next destination, the inner ear. But how does the inner ear turn these amplified vibrations into something our brain can understand? Let's find out. Inside the inner ear, the sound waves embark on their final journey through the cochlea, a spiral-shaped organ filled with fluid. As the vibrations reach the cochlea, they set the fluid inside it into motion. This movement causes tiny, delicate hair cells to bend. But here's where the magic happens. These hairy cells transform the mechanical vibrations into electrical signals. These signals travel through the auditory nerve, acting like a messenger, delivering them straight to the brain. In the brain, these sounds are processed and decoded, turning them into sounds we recognize, like a cheerful ring of a bell or the familiar voice of a friend. And just like that, a simple vibration transforms into a sound we can hear and understand. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something cool about how we hear sounds. Bye!